Hi everyone, welcome to December. It's holiday month and that means a new holiday topic. So this one is sewing holiday traditions. I'm super excited to launch this course. We're kicking things off with the launch of the 6th annual Fun and Festive Sweater Contest at Pixie Fair. So for Pixie Fair's version, we do adorable tiny little sweaters for dolls with a holiday theme. You can do Christmas, you can do Hanukkah, you really can bring in any type of personality you want with these sweaters, and the star of the show is that we use socks to create them. So I'm going to show you that in the first week. I'm also going to add a little bit to it this year with a Hanukkah twist. So we have an adorable yarmulke pattern and our Hanukkah themed sweater. Then Sherry is going to jump in week 2. She is going to do a tutorial that is upcycling a sweater in a different way, and we have a beautiful cardigan that is the result. You're going to want to make sure that you jump on in and watch that tutorial and then see some of the beautiful handwork combined with some adorable little snowflake buttons that really pull that look together. Then in week 3, we are going to kind of come back into the Christmas theme with our occasional elf costume tutorial. So this is really cute. It's a little bit of a different spin on an elf look. We also have a fun little look that we've pulled together that has a Hanukkah theme as well. So you're going to want to make sure that you follow along with that tutorial. And then we'll wrap things up at the end with some fun ideas to bring in the new year. So I hope that you are excited, just like we are, to jump on in and start these tutorials. So join us for this course.